apprentice to trade I was bound. And it's many an hour's sweet happiness have I spent in that neat little town. Till a sad misfortune came over me, which caused me to stray from the land. Far away from me friends and relations, betrayed by the black velvet band. Her eyes they shone like diamonds, I thought her the queen of the land. And her hair it hung over her shoulders, tied up with a black velvet band. I took a stroll with this pretty fair maid, and a gentleman passing us by. I knew she meant the undoing of me by the look in her roguish black eye. Oh, a gold watch she took from his pocket, and she placed it right into me hand. And the very first thing that I thought was bad luck to the black velvet band. Her eyes they shone like diamonds, I thought her the queen of the land. And her hair it hung over her shoulders, tied up with a black velvet band. Now before a judge and a jury, next morning I had to appear. The judge, he said to me, young man, your case it is proven clear. We'll give you 7 years penal servitude, to be spent far away from the land, far away from your friends and relations, betrayed by the black velvet band. Her eyes they shone like diamonds, I thought her the queen of the land. And her hair it hung over her shoulders, tied up with a black velvet band. So come on, you jolly young fellows, go on and take by me. When you are out on the town, me lads, beware of them pretty coddies, for they'll feed you with strong ale, oh yeah, until you are unable to stand. And the very first thing that you know, me lads, is you've landed in Van Diemen's Land. Her eyes they shone like diamonds, I thought her the queen of the land. And her hair it hung over her shoulders, tied up with a black velvet band. Now I'm going to do the second one.
A little Australian song to do with drink. It's called All For Me Grog. Well, I'm sick in the head, I haven't been to bed. First I came ashore with me plunder, I seen centipedes and snakes, my head was full of aches, and I think I'll take a trip the way of yonder.
And it's all for me grog, me jolly, jolly grog.
All for me beer and tobacco,
I spent all me tin with the ladies drinking gin, and
across the Western Ocean I'm its wonder. Where is me shirt, me noggin shirt, all sold for beer and tobacco. The collar is all worn, the seat's all torn, and the tail is looking out for better weather. And it's all for me grog, me jolly, jolly grog, all for me beer and tobacco. I spent all me tin with the ladies drinking gin, and across the Western Ocean I was wander. Where is me boots, me noggin boots, all sold for beer and tobacco. The tail's all worn, the heels all torn, and the swines are looking out for better weather. And it's all for me grog, me jolly, jolly grog, all for me beer and tobacco. I spent all me tin with the ladies drinking gin, and across the Western Ocean I was wander. bed, me nagging bed, all sold for beer and tobacco. The pillow is all torn, the sheets all worn, and the springs are looking on for better weather. And it's all for me grog, me jolly grog, all for me beer and tobacco. I spent all me tin with the ladies drinking gin, and across the Western Ocean I was wandered. Where is me wife, me nagging wife, all sober beer and tobacco? Her foot is sticking out, her hat is kicked about, and I hope she's looking out for better weather. And it's all for me grog, me jolly grog, all for me beer and tobacco. I spent all me tin with the lady drinking gin, and across the Western Ocean I was one. And it's all for me grog, me jolly grog, all for me beer and tobacco. I spent all me tin with the ladies drinking gin, and across the Western Ocean I was
Now we're going to sing a little Irish love song. It's all about drinking. Again. Anybody think we were alcoholics?
Never.
Here we go with what's the name of it?
Rare Old Mountain.
The Rare Old Mountain Dew. Let the grasses grow and waters flow in a free and easy way. Give me enough for the rare old stuff that's made near Galway Bay. Come gaugers all from Donegal, Sligo and Leitrim too. And we'll give 'em the slip, and we'll take a sip of the Real Old Mountain Dew. Gilly-idle-idle-lum, gilly-idle-idle-lum, gilly-idle-lum, a diddle-lum day. Gilly-idle-idle-lum, gilly-idle-idle-lum, gilly-idle-lum, a diddle-lum day. Let the grasses grow and waters flow in a free and easy way. Oh, but give me enough for the rare old stuff that's made near Galway Bay. Come gaugers all from Donegal, Sligo and Leitrim too. And we'll give 'em the slip, and we'll take a sip of the Rare Old Mountain Dew. Gilly-idle-idle-lum, gilly-idle-idle-lum, gilly-idle-lum, a diddle-lum day. Gilly-idle-idle-lum, gilly-idle-idle-lum, gilly-idle-lum, a diddle-lum day. Now learned men who use a pen have written your praises high. But sweet poteen from Ireland green, still from a wheat and rye. Throw away your pills, it'll keep it all ill with a pagan fisted or two. So take off your coat and graze your throat with a little of a mountain dew. Gilly-idle-idle-lum, gilly-idle-idle-lum, gilly-idle-lum, a diddle-lum day. Gilly-idle-idle-lum, gilly-idle-idle-lum, gilly-idle-lum, a diddle-lum day. Let the grasses grow and waters flow in a free and easy way. Oh, but give me enough for the rare old stuff that's made near Galway Bay. Come get your all from Donegal, Sligo and Leitrim too. I'm a give me the slip, I will fill the sip of the Real Old Mountain Dew. Gilly-idle-idle-lum, gilly-idle-idle-lum, gilly-idle-lum, a diddle-lum day. 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 Well, this time we're going to sing a song in the Irish language, Gaelic or Gaelga as we call it, and it's an old poem. It's coming from the 1600s, a national poem, regarded as one of the classic Irish airs. Majin machta gawis a macher broch lachalein An sauro chaks geskrevle mesh is lan roch hon grain Hesteldam tri valte port is banta mina re Keag yoin lamash hakan kolin jas la fanya galan le Nire brogna stoka Kaipna klokker musdori nogon speer Och fall fjonorga skiska tri Dek fast bevarer Vi kallan kroetje kine Glakisar grås bojas beskriv Norrog och Borgan och Venus just La Fania Galonli Hi an vrijog skis le match vinche glas den Ek mago levis dam weve pras marvni nax kar hingle Shedur chilam sa megwam Iskuerar shur merek Shenidanias nasechegchok Le Fania Galanle
Here's a little song about a man who worked on the railway all his life, called Paddy. In 1841, my corduroy breeches I put on. My corduroy breeches I put on to work upon the railway. The railway. I'm weary of the railway. Her Paddy works on the railway. In 1842, from Barleypool I moved through, found myself a job to do, working on the railway. I was wearing all rabbits, digging ditches, pulling switches, dodging hitches. I was working on the railway. In 1843, I broke my shovel across my knee, went to work for the company on the Leeds and Selby Railway. I was wearing all rabbits, digging ditches, pulling switches, dodging hitches. I was working on the railway. In 1844, I landed on the Liverpool shore. My belly was empty, my hands were raw from working on the railway. The railway. I am weary of the railway. Poor Paddy works on the railway. In 1845, when Daniel O'Connell, he was alive. Daniel O'Connell, he was alive, working on the railway. I was waiting for riches, digging ditches, pulling switches, dodging hitches. I was working on the railway. In 1846, I changed my trade from carrying bricks. Changed my trade from carrying bricks, working on the railway. I was wearing all riches, digging ditches, pulling switches, dodging hitches. I was working on the railway. Sad verse. In 1847, poor Paddy was thinking of going to heaven. Poor Paddy was thinking of going to heaven to work upon the railway. The railway. I'm weary of the railway. Poor Paddy works on the railway. And I was wearing dishes, pulling switches, dodging hitches. I was working on the railway. I was wearing dishes, digging ditches, pulling switches, dodging hitches. I was working on the railway. Thank you. Great song, actually, a tribute to one of the great Dubliners, of course, Luke Kelly. It's called School Day's Over. School day's over.
Start again. Bit of a shambles.
What's wrong with you?
We start again, Will.
Take two.
Right. Okay. Right.
School day's over. Come on then, John. Time to be getting your good boots on. On with your sark and moleskin trousers. You start at the pit today. Time you are learning the pitman's job and earning the pitman's pay. Come on then, Jim, it's time to go. Time you were working down below. Time to be handling a pick and shovel. You start at the pit today. Time you were learning the miner's job and earning the miner's pay. In moleskin trousers you started at the pit today. The time you are learning the pit bench job and earning the pittance pay. School days over. Thank you.
Well, this next song I'd like to do a special dedicated especially to two really nice guys, and they're from Snake, and it's Bauke and Dick from Diva Productions, and it's to thank them for having faith in us. And it's a song that Ronnie recorded way back in '67 called 7 Drunken Nights. Well, as I came home on a Monday night, as drunk could be, I saw a horse outside the door where my old horse should be. Well, I called me wife and I said to her, will you kindly tell to me who owns that horse outside the door where my old horse should be? Aye, you're drunk, you silly old fool, till you cannot see. Oh, that's a lovely sound, me mother said to me. It's many days you travelled 100 miles or more with a saddle on a sow that I never saw before. Da-da-dee-ya, da-da-dee-ya, dee-da-dee-da-dee-da-dee-da. And as I came home on a Tuesday night, as drunk could be, I saw a coat behind the door where my old coat should be. Well, I called me wife and I said to her, will you kindly tell to me who owns that coat behind the door where my old coat should be? Aye, you're drunk, you silly old fool, until you cannot see. Sure, that's a woollen blanket, me mother said to me. Well, it's many days of travel, 100 miles or more, with buttons on a blanket, sure I never saw before. Da-da-dee-ya, da-da-dee-ya, dee-da-dee-da-dee-da-dee-da. As I came home on a Wednesday night, as drunk could be, I saw a pipe upon the chair where my old pipe should be. Well, I called me wife and I said to her, will you kindly tell to me who owns that pipe upon the chair where my old pipe should be? Aye, you're drunk, you silly old fool, till you cannot see. Sure, that's a lovely tin whistle, me mother said to me. Well, it's many days of travel, 100 miles or more, but tobacco with a tin whistle, sure I never saw before. Da-da-dee-ya, da-da-dee-ya, dee-da-dee-da-dee-da-dee-da. And as I came home on a Thursday night, as drunk could be, I saw two boots beneath the bed where my old boots should be. Well, I called me wife and I said to her, will you kindly tell to me who owns the boots beneath the bed where my old boots should be? Aye, you're drunk, you silly old fool, till you cannot see. Sure, they're two lovely geranium pots, me mother said to me. Well, it's many days of travel, 100 miles or more, but laces in geranium pots I never saw before. Da-da-dee-ya, da-da-dee-ya, da-da-dee-da-dee-da-dee-da. And as I came home on a Friday night, as drunk could be, I saw a head inside the bed where my old head should be. But I called me wife and I said to her, will you kindly tell to me who owns that head with you in the bed where my old head should be? Aye, you're drunk, you silly old fool, till you cannot see. So that's a baby boy, me mother sent to me. Well, it's many a travel, 100 miles or more, but a baby boy with his whiskers on I never saw before. Da-da-dee-ya, 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 dee-da-dee-da. Da-da-dee-ya, da-da-dee-ya, dee-da-dee-ya, dee-da-dee-da. Aye!
Right, here's a little song called When the Boys Come Rolling Home, all about going off to America in the days of the sailing ships. And here's how the song goes. It's by Tommy Sands. I always will remember well the day we went away, sailing out of Dublin in the morning. Our thoughts were on tomorrow as we kissed the girls farewell, but our dreams were on the day of our returning. There'll be dancing, romancing, and never the other side in New York City Fair. In spite of wind and rain and stormy weather, we all sat down to take a glass and we wished each other well. And we said we'd all come back again together. There'll be dancing, romancing, and evermore we'll roam. There'll be rolling in the hay, there'll be whiskey in the tea when the boys come rolling home. Bill went up to Boston, Sam to Buffalo, Joe went out as far as California. I used to get some letters then, but that was long ago. And they always spoke of Ireland and returning. There'll be dancing and romancing, and evermore we'll roam. There'll be rolling in the hay, there'll be whiskey in the tea when the boys come rolling home. Well, I'm well over 80 now, my grandson's by me bed, and I'm here in Chicago and still scheming. He says he'll bring me back again to rest me weary head, and I leave him a legacy of dreaming. There'll be dancing and romancing, and evermore we'll roam. There'll be rolling in the hay, there'll be whiskey in the tea when the boys come rolling home. There'll be dancing and romancing, and evermore we'll roam. There'll be rolling in the hay, there'll be whiskey in the tea when the boys come rolling home.
Yeah.
Everybody knows this. I've been a wild rover for many a year, and have spent all me money on whiskey and beer. But now I'm returning with gold in great store, and I never will play the wild rover no more. And it's no, nay, never. No, nay, never, no more.
Spent. I asked her for credit, she answered me nay. With a custom like yours, I can have any day.
And it's no, nay, never. No, nay, never, no more will I play the wild rover. No, never, no more. I took out of me pocket 10 sovereigns bright, delight. She said I have a whiskey and wine of the best, and the words that you told me were only in jest. And it's no, nay, never. No, nay, never, no more will I play the wild rover. No, never, no more.
I go home to my parents, confess what I've done. I've asked him to pardon the prodigal son, and when they caress me, as oft times before, I never will play the wild rover no more.
And it's no, nay, never. No, nay, never, no more will I play the wild rover. No, never, no more. And it's no, nay, never. cutscenes. Here's a song called Whiskey in the Jar. As I was going over the far-famed Kerry Mountains, I met with Captain Farrell and his money he was counting. I first produced me pistol and I then produced me rapier. Thanks stand and deliver for a well-ball deceiver. My sharing give a doer of it all. Whack fall the daddy-o, whack fall the daddy-o, there's whiskey in the jar. I went into my chamber, all fire to take a slumber. I'd silver, gold and jewels, I am sure it was no wonder. But Jenny took me pistol, she filled it up with water, and sent for Captain Farrell to be ready for the slaughter. My sharing give a doer of it all. Whack fall the daddy-o, whack fall the daddy-o, there's whiskey in the jar. Early in the morning, just before I rose to travel, up comes a band of troopers. It was Captain Farrell. I first produced me pistol for me rapier she had stolen. I could not shoot the water, so prisoner I was taken. My sharing of it, word of it all. Whack fall the daddy-o, whack fall the daddy-o, there's whiskey in the jar. If anyone can hate me, there's me brother in the army. If I can find a station in Cork or in Killarney, and if he'll go with me, we'll go roving in Kilkenny, and I'm sure he'll treat me better than me slide as even Jenny. My sharing of a doer of it all. Whack fall the daddy-o, whack fall the daddy-o, there's whiskey in the jar. The some take delight in the carriages rolling, and others take delight in the hurling and the bowling. But I take delight in the juice of the barley and putting pretty